Welcome to this class. Yesterday I have discussed more about research, and now today I am going to elaborate the research report. How to write thesis, how to write dissertation, how to write project. So then the research report contains three parts. First part is preliminary section. Second part body of report, and third part is reprint of publication. In the preliminary section, there are three sub parts. One is title page, second is preface or abstract, third is table of contents, and in the body of report there are five points. First is introduction, second is design of the study, third is analysis of interpretation of the data and work, fourth summary and conclusions, fifth bibliography, and last part reprint of the publication. Now we see in detail. Title page means preliminary sections is the introductory part of the thesis. In which title page, that means cover page, in which top paper, the topic of research work has been printed by the scholar, and preface indicates in single page in which there is a brief summary in one page how many chapters in this thesis. Suppose in the first chapter you describe something, second chapter, third chapter, fourth chapter, fifth chapter, and last summary and conclusion. But here there is a difference in between abstract and preface. Preface is in one page, but abstract is in 4 or 5 pages. Abstract, now table of contents, where the content is essential, where such type of put, but next part is the body of the report, in which introduction, in which topic do you go through the elaborate study. You mention here introductory part. Second chapter is review of literature, historical review, in which design of the study, and next chapter you decide chapters. That means chapter 1, chapter 2, chapter 3, and second chapter is summary and conclusion. In this chapter, the whole chapters are summarized in this chapter, and last bibliography. Here, one thing is clear that there is a difference between references and bibliography. In a research paper, references is introduced, but in a thesis, in a dissertation, bibliography is utilized or introduced. Bibliography is the advanced stage, big stage of references. So, last we find reprint of publication. Here, we say that if we see the sequence of the thesis, then we go sequence. Here, this is the sequence. Firstly, this is the top or cover page. Second, declaration certificate by the scholar. Next, certificate by the supervisor. Next, acknowledgement, in which you dedicated to your guide, parents, research director, those who involve inside your research, you mention in this acknowledgement. This next table of content, next abstract or preface, next chapterization 1, 2, 3, 4, and last summary and conclusion. After summary and conclusion, you may mention future planning, because your work is contributed to the society, to the nation. What are the future planning of this project report? You may add, you may assign this after summary and conclusion, and last bibliography, and this is publication. In a nutshell, we say that research report is very essential. How we write, how we present, how we describe. First of all, our clear, very attractive, very introductive, because this is the final report of our research. Thank you.